In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Reels content using Grok. Open your browser and head to grok.com. If you're new, create an account or simply sign in. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Click to start a new chat so you're working with a clean slate. A fresh conversation helps Grok focus on the exact outcome you want for the session. Begin by asking Grok for viral reel ideas tailored to your niche. Be clear about your audience, your topic, and the result you want viewers to achieve. For example, you might say, give me 10 viral Instagram Reels ideas for beginners in your niche, with a bold hook, a clear takeaway, and a simple call to action. If you already have a brand voice, mention it. The more specific you are, the more on target the ideas will be. Scan the list and pick one idea that feels doable and exciting. Then ask Grok to turn that single idea into a 30 to 45 second script. Specify the structure you want, a punchy hook in the first 3 seconds, 1 to 3 crisp teaching points or demonstrations, a fast recap, and a call to action. If you plan to film B-roll or on-screen text, tell Grok to include quick stage directions and caption suggestions. This keeps filming efficient and makes editing straightforward. Now, improve retention. This is where your reel wins or loses attention. Ask Grok to tighten the pacing, front-load the value, and flag any spots where viewers might drop off. Request alternatives for the opening hook, and have it propose brief cuts or visual switches every 2 to 3 seconds to keep momentum high. If a line feels slow, ask for a shorter, sharper option. Next, instruct Grok to rewrite the script with pattern interrupts, curiosity gaps, fast pacing, and short sentences, keeping it under 120 words. This word count typically lands right in the 30 to 45 second window when delivered with energy. Make sure the hook promises a clear outcome without giving everything away, so viewers feel compelled to watch through the end. At this point, you're not just crafting one post, you've unlocked a full content series. Go back to the original idea list and repeat the same process for each concept. Batch the scripts, label them by theme or episode, and save everything in a document you can reference when filming. With ideas, scripts, and retention-optimized rewrites ready to go, you can record multiple reels in one session, keep a consistent style, and publish on a reliable schedule. That's how you create scroll-stopping reels using Grok from idea to series with clarity and speed.